This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a base trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And with obvious 4x4 capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Do also have hooks here to tie in your cargo, 12-volt power outlet, and your articulating cargo lights, as you can kind of shift them around, and they're on both corners of the hatch when it is up. And then the hatch closes again to do also have a separately opening glass hatch for easier access. And now looking into the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably with a USB and USB-C down there in the middle. And looking at the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your driver assistance features, your radio, phone controls, information about your vehicle, and your trip information. And then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Do have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And moving down from that, you have your media controls with your auto start stop shut off and your hazards there. You have a little shelf beneath that for whatever you want to put there. And then you have your climate controls here, very simple, easy to use. And beneath that, you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, so you can plug something into power charge from there. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very simple, easy to use. You have your parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector, so that goes over any terrain, I believe, is what that stands for. And you have that for normal, sand, and then you have Eco, Sport, and Slippery mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, also hosting another 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interiors. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.